Welcome. In front of me is an Honor X6B, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this phone. To get started, swipe down from the top of your screen, or more precisely top right side of the screen, and this will show you a bunch of toggles, which one of those should be power saving mode. Now in this list you do want to swipe down again, this will extend it. And we can see power saving right over here. Click on it. It gives you a quick pop-up right here with the info that power saving mode will basically turn on things like dark mode will be enabled, always on display, auto sync, and some other functions will be turned off. Background app activities will be restricted and visual effects will be reduced. Now this is a lot of vague terminology right here, so I'm going to go a little bit more in depth so you're actually aware of what's going to happen. So one of the most important things here will be the auto sync. This refers to basically connection to Wi-Fi and mobile data. It will disconnect from those when you're not using the device, and therefore auto sync basically won't be able to sync any kind of new notifications that would require internet connection. So you might have periods where you're not getting any kind of notifications and then you get them all in bulk, or when you interact with the device, which also kind of collaborates with the background app activity. So apps won't be able to really function in the background. Visual effects refers to the screen refresh rate, which doesn't really impact the usability of the device that much, but the auto sync does. So yeah, anyway, we're gonna select enable, and you can see, there we go, a little leaf appears inside of the battery and the screen brightness dims down a little bit, and that's it. Now once you're done with the power saving mode, you can quickly turn it off by finding the toggle once again and tapping on it once more, and this will revert all the changes. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.